Okay,
Yeah.
so let's start with really some of the most frequently asked questions that I get all of the time. So at this time, how many confirmed COVID-19 patients do we have in Tulare County?
So the word we got yesterday, excuse me, the word we got yesterday from the county public health department, which I think has already been shared on media, is that we now have 18 confirmed cases in Tulare County, which interestingly is now exactly equal to the same number of confirmed cases in Fresno County. Just a couple days ago, Tulare County actually had twice as many as Fresno County, but just in a day or two, they actually have caught up and we both have 18.
Okay, so here's a question that came in just a few minutes ago. How many of those who tested positive within the last, few weeks, how many of those have since tested negative and are no longer under quarantine? Do we get that information from the county?
We don't. I did actually bring some information with me that, sorry to go off script
No,
here a
no.
little bit, but I think this is kind of some of the questions that are being asked. So I'll share with you, we actually have a dashboard that comes out every single day, comes out of our patient safety and quality department. Kathy Whitman, who is our manager of infection prevention, she produces this every day, and I believe we're actually uploading this now either onto our website or our Facebook page, sharing with the general community as well. So as of yesterday, we've actually, Quia Delta, and we're one of the primary specimen collection sites for the entire county. I think Quia Delta has collected more specimens than any other healthcare institution in the county. So as of yesterday, we have collected 421 specimens, and 17 of those tested positive. So of the 18 that I just mentioned that have been confirmed by the county, 17 of them were collections that we took from patients. The very first positive case in Tulare County actually occurred at Sierra View Medical Center in Porterville. So it may be very likely that it's just been that one initial incident that they've had, because 17 of the 18 were specimens that we collected. Generally, we're seeing, if I look over the last week, just over the last week, the 7 days running, we've had 22 collections. Oh no, excuse me, that's not right. That's just yesterday alone, 22. But we're generally seeing anywhere from 1 to 2 to 3 positive tests every day. Interesting, the age stratification of these cases. So again, of the 17 that have tested positive, 1 in the 0 to 19 age category, 9 of them in the 20 to 29 category, 3 in the 30 to 39, 1 in the 40 to 59, none in the 50 to 59, none in the 60 to 69, and 2 in the 70 to 79, and none above that. So interestingly, that about half, or exactly half, of the 18 or the 17 that we have collected, 9 of them are in that younger category, that 20 to 29. And of those 17 that we've collected, only 1 patient actually had to be hospitalized for the COVID-19 virus. So the other 16 were all advised to stay home, to quarantine, and to recover at home. All of those, the one inpatient, we did have 1 patient that presented to our urgent care center on Court Street that we swabbed that patient and they tested positive. But all of the others have been outpatients that have been referred to us by either the county or community physicians that have been directed to our collection tents that are located in the parking lot of our multi-service center on the north side of Asequia, across the street from the Asequia Wing entrance. So of the 17 that have tested positive, 15 of them came through those outpatient tents where we walk up to the patient's car, swab them right there while they're in their car. Nurses, we have a nurse practitioner there, and then they are sent down to our laboratory, they package them up, and then they sent them to the county lab for testing. That's the distribution. Again, just one inpatient, 15 outpatients, the one that came to the urgent care center.